Welcome to
Econo Lodge Inn & Suites, Lewisville.
Your guest will experience the highest standard of customer service and find sophisticated accommodations at an unbeatable value.
Located near Lake Lewisville, a great place for fishing, swimming, boating, water skiing, jet skiing, sailing, and sailboarding.
Exceptional convenience to the best local attractions helps you save on transportation costs.
Dallas-Fort Worth International Airport, the University of North Texas, and Texas Women's University are all within 15 miles of the hotel. Within 25 miles include the new Cowboys Stadium and American Airlines Center.
So why not give us a try? When you combine our clean, comfortable rooms with the array of amenities and the proximity of our hotel to the things that matter most, everything adds up to a perfect experience.
www.econolodgelewisville.com